lang ba? Para magod ka na. Gumiti ka nga. Sige ka, tatanda ka ng mga ganyan.
Naman sana, bes.
Oo, ayaw mo lang tonda eh. Kaya, hindi na, ngingipin na yan.
Sige na nga!
Don't think about me. Do you think I deserve this? I tried to make you happy, but you left anyway. I'm trying to forget that I'm addicted to you.
Hoy, pare! Ba kayo nung sinil? Hindi, kaibigan ko lang yan. Kasi nakita ko siyang may ibang lalaki. May pinyayata yun. Oh, talaga? Oo, pare, kita ko siya eh. Hindi pare, huwag na ako.
Pinilit kong sabihin, ngunit di ko magawa na magsabing gusto kita.
Oh, bes! Dito ka lang pala. Bakit ka ba hindi?
Sinil, may boyfriend ka na pala. Hindi ko na sinabi sa akin. Hindi ko malalaman sa tropa ko.
Bes, balak naman ako dali.
Pero kailan pa?
Bakit ka ba nagagalit? Kaibigan lang naman kita.
Well, I saw fireworks from the freeway and behind closed eyes I can't make them go to waste. Cause you were born on the 4th of July. Freedom ring, well, something on the surface, it stinks. I see something on the surface, well, it kinda makes me nervous. Who say that you deserve this, and what kind of God would serve this? We will cure this dirty old disease. Well, if you got the poison, I've got the remedy. The remedy is the experience. This is a dangerous liaison. I says the comedy, is that a serious? What time is it where you are? I get home and you feel so far. Waiting for the phone to ring. Getting lonely, living upside down. I don't even wanna be in this town. I'm trying to figure out the time zones making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight. Going out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to the sunset and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad and my heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. It's so jet lagged. What time is it where you are? 5 more days and I'll be home. I keep your picture in my car. I hate the thought of you alone. I've been keeping busy all the time, just to try to keep you off my mind. Trying to figure out the time zones making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight. Going out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to the sunset.
Ilagay mo. Ako ba?
Mark! Gago ka, bakit mo ginagawa yun? Best friend ko! Huwag ka lang makikita sa best friend ko, kundi hindi lang sa
Tama na yan!
Hindi tayo kasi.
Tama na nga!
Wala nang dating pagtingin, sawa na pa sa aking lamping. Wala ka namang dahilan, bakit bigla na lang nang iwanan? Di na alam ang gagawin upang ika'y magbalik sa'kin. Ginawa ko naman ang lahat, bakit bigla na lang naghanap? Hindi magbabago pagmamahal sa'yo. Sana'y pakinggan mo ang awit ng pusong ito. Tulad ng mundong hindi tumitigil sa pag-ikot, pag-ibig di mapapagod. Tulad ng ilog na hindi